morning, you guys. Hello, what is up? This is a new vlog. I'm excited about it. I'm just in like a really good mood. I don't know why, like I'm just in a good mood. So I figured I would take advantage of that in vlog. So it is Friday for you guys. It's Monday for me because we have camp today and I miss the kids even though I didn't see them for like 2 days. But I miss them so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This is the last week of camp. So like, I'm probably gonna have an emotional breakdown on Friday and it's not gonna be pretty. We're gonna grab some breakfast. I think we're gonna go to First Watch and it's just gonna be a good day. We're going to Target, we're gonna do some swimming. It's supposed to be 95 degrees here today. So I'm really excited. It's gonna be really warm. Wait, I don't have my music on. I'll be right back. I parked way too close to my nose cover. Ooh, also where did the keys go? Other exciting news, on Friday I had my last like driver's ed type thing. I had my last in-car. So what that means is, so I'm done with like driver's ed and stuff. I just have to take my test and it's scheduled for August 14th, just 3 days before I go back to school. God, I just totally ruined my good mood. I don't know, like, I don't think you guys know to like what extent I freak out about school. I have dreams. It's like a psychological issue. Like, I was in therapy last year because it was so bad. I just completely psyched myself out. And it's not even about the schoolwork, it's more like the social aspect of it. I'm just kind of freaking out a little bit. Not even a little bit. Like it's coming. And I can't really stop. God, I don't usually do that. I don't think I've ever cried on camera before. Well, I guess there's a first time for everything. Let's lighten the mood up and get some breakfast. Let's go to First Watch and get breakfast. Good morning to Empty Crocker Park. Whew. It is bright out today. Heaven on a plate, my friends. Okay, so we're home, went to camp, super fun. And then we grabbed a little lunch at Yard House. Tried to go to this popcorn place, we got popcorn. But the popcorn place usually has this really good lemonade, but they didn't have water to make the lemonade. So we're making our own. This little time lapse is not happening because my camera's gonna die. Okay, so I was just about, oh wait, hold on, I'm gonna fix my hair. Give me a minute. Ow. Katie and I are about to hop into the pool. What did I do? Oh, I made lemonade, my camera charged, watched General Hospital, and man, that show was good. But I made a little invention. I found one of my vlog cameras that I don't really use anymore. Well, I don't ever use it anymore. And like, it wasn't that expensive, so I'm just gonna put it in like a plastic bag and see if I can take it like in the water, underwater. Cause I'm gonna get a GoPro at some point, but since like it's the end of the summer, probably not this summer, maybe for like Christmas or something. But I think it would be really cool if we could take it underwater. So I'm gonna try that now. Alrighty, we got the music on. We're ready to go. Okay, I'm now gonna switch over to this camera. Wait, I wanna do side by side of the quality. I don't even know if it's recording. Okay, side by side. All right, let's go into the water. I don't even think you guys can hear me, but hey, okay, it's kind of cold. Oh, it's cold in this part. Got my surfboard. I wanna try and put it underwater and see if it still records. Ready? All right, you're gonna go underwater in 3, 2, 1. It's still recording! It's like randomly gone there and... Alright. Oh. Damn, I don't know if you got that. I think I did. you guys enjoyed that. Oh my god, I'm looking rough. Hope you all enjoyed that. Underwater, whatever that even was. We had our lemonade. Look, I'm on an island. Sarah Elizabeth Island, welcome! All we do is listen to music and make fake GoPros. I haven't vlogged coming here in like 7 years. Well, I didn't want water in mine, I just wanted ice. But thanks.
You need to hydrate yourself.
We are at Panera. I haven't vlogged in here in so long. We used to come, those of you that know, we used to come here like every single freaking day. We got this juice stuff.
This is our pager. Perfect.
Thank you for that.
Hydration. Look at me, Mom.
Hydrate.
I got it.
Bottoms up. That's good.
That water is delightful.
I know, right? I spit in it.
I'm just kidding. It's disgusting.
We're going to Target. One to see Babe. It's always the number one reason we're there.
I brushed into him the other day.
Yeah, my mom touched him.
gosh, you're like the luckiest person on earth. Right?
Wow. That is a very large bowl of soup.
That might possibly feed a family of 4.
That could feed a family of 4. I don't want it that big. But oh,
That is a horrible looking pimple. That's just sad. It's very sad.
my God.
Quack, 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 quack.
Boom, shaka boom.
That's
good. Talk about crack, crack.
With peanut buttery swirl and chocolate cookies. Get away.
Just let me enjoy my life without camera being in my face. Ice cream. Ice cream. I love my organic milk.
Okay.
For
Katie, what are we doing?
$2.44. We're having a party for Rebecca to choose her man.
I love this.
Alice. Check them out.
Let's be real. Pickles on sale? Am I right?
We just spent about maybe 10 minutes in the ice cream aisle debating if my mom wanted chunks of chocolate chip cookie dough or chunks of chocolate chip cookie dough and brownies. So that took a while. And I'm just really excited, really pumped. It's gonna be a really great night. Hashtag rooting for Blake, because if him and Becca don't get together, he's gonna go mentally insane. Okay, wait, this isn't the candy aisle. Candy? Found the candy. Okay, that was terrible. Okay. What do we need? What do we need? Definitely need. We got these two. Those are good. What else? What else do I want? Ooh. That bag looks fun. I want blow pops. Blow pops. Okay, that looks good to me. Okay. Oh wait, I don't want 2. Yay. Looks good.
I know. God. Cracking instinct.
Where'd the cart go? I need to. Oh my god, they just leave the wine there. Katie?
Got the cards. Send it. Oh my god.
That was kind of terrifying. Votes for Katie to start a vlog channel? I think it would be so funny.
I wouldn't edit them.
Yeah, Katie doesn't know how to edit.
What did you get them?
I have to edit for her. I look bad today. What else is new? Oh, yes. Wait, let's see if I can make it from here. Move, Katie. Oh, that wasn't even that difficult. Okay, give it to me again. Give it to me again. Okay, I don't want that one because it touched the floor. Okay, now I gotta get this one in. Okay, ready, Katie? Move. Yes. I'm a baller. Is that what the kids are saying these days?
I want some lemonade.
I literally have homemade lemonade at home.
Lemonade. Lemonade for sale. Only $1.
I don't know what is happening.
The Blue Diamond commercial, right?
Oh yeah.
Diamond.
You can tell that we watched too much TV. We had to leave because the nightly news is starting soon. We just referenced a Blue Diamond Almonds commercial, and we're literally buying snacks out the wazoo for the Bachelorette.
We definitely have some TV.
We have an issue. Something really exciting is happening. Something very exciting.
I don't want anything to
I'm gonna pee
happen.
my pants.
Someone might have to come over.
Can you get me on?
No, that's very bad.
Have to help us. Sarah.
If something happens here right now. Yep, 100%. Because someone has to monitor it.
Let's hand like 5 of these.
Oh God, Katie. That was very embarrassing. Looking out, my mom goes, "Oh, where's?" And he like hears us, kind of. He's talking to someone, so I hope he really didn't hear us. But like, as I was bolting out the door, we act like idiots enough.
No, I was dancing with goldfish and he looked at me.
My love. Be the Bachelor. I think that would be fun. Kind of emotionally scarring, but it would be fun. Okay. Now,
Take all this. Katie's there just
you little wiener!
Ryan was gonna take me hostage.
Take me hostage! Ah! Hi, good morning. It's a vlog. There we go, that's better. Good morning, it's a new day. I just zipped this closed. I really need help. I haven't like sat down here in a vlog and done my makeup in a while, so. Yes, today's Wednesday.
Good morning. Welcome to Avon Starbucks. How are you today?
Hi, good, how are you?
What are we getting started for breakfast?
Can I get a fresher with no water and no strawberries?
Sure.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, we have that. Oh my god.
I'm telling Katie.
Oh my god. See, this is the closest thing we have to California donuts. I just practically swallowed 2 donuts whole. So that's a really fun time. We're going to camp now and I'm really excited because I miss the children even though I saw them yesterday. We're gonna be so late though. The song was such a bop.
Yes, I be your woman. Yes, I be your baby.
Let's go to the cars.
Hello everyone! Definitely just completely did this clip and then realized that I could find better lighting, so I'm redoing it. Hey, what's up? I'm in the pool right now. And it took me a really long time to find a way to get this camera to work without me dropping it in the water, which is, right there, so that's really nice. It's really hot. Got some weird music going. I don't really know what's happening, but I've been like chilling in here. God, I can't even see anything. I've just been like laying in the pool, relaxing on this float, which I'm always on. I want to kind of get a thumbnail here. I don't know where I could get a thumbnail. Let us. How are you guys? I'm doing pretty well. Oh crap. I didn't plan after this. I didn't plan what to do. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is bad. Can't move. Haha! Oh no. Oh no. I made it back because I'm running out of storage on this memory card. Woo! I've never seen a YouTuber do this! My neighbors can probably hear me screaming. Just trying to have a casual conversation here. I'm just really living my best life right now, even though I look like an absolute toe. That's basically all that's happening with me. Really, leave me down below. How's your day going? I hope it is well. Oh no, the camera's moving. I'm gonna go. Because I don't want this camera to drop. Oh, I have 11 seconds of recording left. Let's use all of it. This is really important 11 seconds of footage that I couldn't have missed out on. I'm so glad I have it. Got food. And I got an acai bowl. And I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. Because there's coconut and I hate coconut. And, oh.
Well, I'm not sharing this.
Interesting. Is it really?
It looks so disgusting.
It's actually pretty good.
Looks like someone vomited all over it and there's no cheese. It's all
so good.
God, it's so gross.
We got another smoothie. We don't have any like cute Earth Cafe. We don't have any smoothie ones. All we have is crappy fresh
Nobody
bananas.
needs this. Oh my god, what is that?
It's the worst acai bowl I've ever had.